Irish Lesson 2, Ceacht Gaeilge Adá. Folklore, vocabulary. Tá. Tá means am, is or are. Teach, a house. An teach, the house. Tá usually comes at the start of a sentence. Doras, a door. An doras, the door. Fear, a man. An fear, the man. Bian, a woman. An bian, the woman. Fear agus bian, a man and a woman. Gasúr, a boy. An gasúr, the boy. Geisach, a girl. An geirseach, the girl. Gasúr agus geirseach, a boy and a girl. Egg, at. Egg on, at the. Egg on table, at the table. In. Sa, in the. On. On the. Foster, also. Freshen, also, or as well, or to. Shaw, this. Shin, that. Anish, now. Anshin, then. Kajay, what. Kajay, tá, what is. K, who. K, tá, who is. Sean, John. Maura, Mary. Kitchen, kitchen. An kitchen, the kitchen. Sa kitchen, in the kitchen. Tá Maura sa kitchen. Mary is in the kitchen. Merlon, door handle. An Merlon, the door handle. Tá bian ag an doras, there is a woman at the door. Tá gasúr ag an doras fásta, a boy is at the door also. Cé tá sa teach, who is in the house? Tá Maura sa teach, Mary is in the house. Tá an Merlon briste, the door handle is broken. Tá geirseach sa kitchen, a girl is in the kitchen. Tá fear ag an doras, there is a man at the door. Tá Sean ag an doras freisin, Sean is at the door too. Tá an bian sa teach, the woman is in the house. Kajay tá an doras, what is on the door. Tá Merlon an doras, a handle is on the door. Ach, tá sé briste, but it is broken. Sin an tumlán a gina. That's all, folks. Slán go fóill. Bye for now.